Hey folks, we got a new small table for you. It's almost Mother's Day. We thought we'd do a salute to the mothers and give them a special table. Give you some ideas, do something nice for the mothers. Right here on my take on home and garden. So the first thing we're going to do to make this table special, we got a nice white tablecloth. And we're going to put this extra lace round piece in here. And we're going to use a centerpiece that you can see in an upcoming video when we do our summer flowers and centerpieces. So this one, which I usually make them up for you, I did make this up, but I'm going to put it on here right now for today. And we're going to feature a teapot by Mark Roberts. Extra cute. Okay folks, continuing on with our Mother's Day coffee or tea. We're going to put some ancillary pieces on. We got some guava filled puff pastry. We have some double chocolate cookies and mints. Today's table, we're going to feature Royal Albert Sweet Violets bone china made in England. It's so pretty. We've started collecting this. It's typically pricey, so it's slow go. Some of you are familiar with the Royal Albert brand English bone china. There's several kinds, and again, like I say, today's star is the Royal Albert Sweet Violets English bone china. Dessert fork. Dessert spoon. Let's take a closer look at our Mother's Day coffee. To all those special moms out there, we love you, Mom. Thanks for everything you've done for us. God bless. So folks, remembering those moms that did everything they could for us, bless their hearts and have a wonderful special day. Remember, if you like this content and you want to see more, share, and like our video. And subscribe to our channel. And you can follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden. And as always, the best subscribers anybody could have right here. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody.